Hey, what's up, guys? It's Coach Bronson here. I'm going to give you three really quick tips on how you can get more protein in your diet every day. Okay. First thing, prioritize protein. Eat protein first. When you get your meals prepared, when you sit down to eat your food, eat all your meat, eat your eggs, whatever you have for protein, eat that before you eat any of the sides or anything that you have. You're going to be more likely to eat all of it if you have a lot on your plate, and less likely to eat the other stuff in general. You're going to feel full faster, get full longer. We know protein is the most satiating macronutrient, so if you can focus on getting that first, you're going to be good to go. Okay, prioritize protein. Secondly, I do the half method, right? So if I normally have 2 eggs for breakfast, I'm going to have that and add that to my breakfast. So now I'm going to have 3. If I normally have 4 ounces of ground beef for lunch, then I'm going to have that and add it, and then I'm going to have 6. Okay, so whatever you normally have as a serving, a good way to slightly increase without overdoing it, but it's not going to feel like too much, is to take whatever you normally do now, have it, cut it in half, and then add that again to what you're already eating. So again, if you have, let's say, normally in the morning I have four eggs, I'm going to have that's 2. Add that to the 4. I now have 6. Now I'm having 6 eggs for breakfast. Do that for every meal. So if you're having plus every meal and you're prioritizing the protein and eating all your protein first, that's 2 great ways for you to increase the protein that you're getting at every meal, every day. Okay. The third thing you can do, okay, if for some odd reason you feel like you're hungry throughout the day and you need to snack on protein. Pork rinds, hard-boiled eggs, beef jerky, whatever you can think of, okay, that is protein-based, make that your snacks. Don't snack on carbs. Don't snack on veggies and things like that. The nutrient density you're getting is way less. The satiety you're getting is way less, okay? And if you're trying to improve your metabolic function, you want to eat what is driving metabolic function, protein, okay? Protein drives your metabolism. You want to ingest as much of it as you can, okay? If you're going to snack on protein, all right? And then side note, if you feel like you need to snack throughout the day, then you're probably not eating enough in your actual meals, so that could be something else to look at. Just eat more for your regular meals, okay? So prioritize your protein, eat it first. Have and plus, right? So the have plus, I got to come up with a name for that. Have whatever you normally do, add it to what you're doing, and have that for your protein. And then if you feel like you need to snack on protein. Okay? 3 great ways to improve the amount of protein you get every day.